Hi, for Uber?
Hi.
Hi, how's it going? What's the name?
Oh, I think you're supposed to tell me yours, right?
Oh, no. What's your name? You need to tell me what your name is.
Well, you go first.
No. I need to make sure I have the right passenger. So can you tell me your name?
Well, I'm trying to play it safe, you know?
Well, you can check the license plate, make sure you have it's the right car. And you already know my make and model and color of my car. So did you check all that info on the app?
Yeah.
Okay, and? So what's your name? Tell me your name.
Well...
Why are you not, can you just tell me what your name is?
Well, can you just
It's not that hard.
Can you just confirm your name?
No. It's not how it works. It's not, I'm not falling for the say my name trick. Like, you need to tell me what your name is.
Well, I have my picture on the app. You can see it's me, too.
Okay, well, you Okay, fine. You're Rebecca.
Yeah, and you're Dylan?
Okay, jeez. Can you put your seatbelt on?
Yeah. Just for that, I'm gonna rate you 1 star.
What? You're gonna rate me 1 star?
Yeah, I don't get why you're making such a hassle out of it.